Hello students, we are going to see a shortcut technique for finding the compound interest. In this, we'll be able to find out the shortcut for the simple interest and also the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest value also we'll be seeing in this shortcut. So the value is given for the principal is 1000 rupees and the rate of interest is 10% and the time period is for 2 years. So first I will be writing the C1. That C1 will be here the 100, which is nothing but the 10 percentage of the principal amount, that is 10 percentage of the 1000, which gives me here it is 100 that I will be writing over here. The next I will write the C2. The C2, when I write it here, this 100 will retain as such. Then again you are going to write the 10 percentage of this 100. So the 10 percentage of the 100 which results in 10. So now I'm going to add all the values. When you add 100 plus 100 plus 10, which results in 210. So this is the compound interest value for the 2 years. It is very simple to know here, right? So if you want to find out only the simple interest, you have to add only these rectangle values, that is 100 plus 100, which results in 200 you will be getting here. If you want to know the difference between them, okay, so now I'll make one more triangle over here. This triangle indicates the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest you will be getting here. So hope you understood very clearly what I'm telling you in this particular problem. Let's see one more problem to make you understand very clear of this concept. So here the principal amount is given here. It is 1500. It's given here. Rate is 20% and the time period is 3 years. It's given here. The first step I will be writing here the C1, which is 300. 300 is nothing but the 10% you should not take here. So here you have to take R is given here what? 20%. So you will be taking here the 20 percentage of the principal amount, which is 1500. The previous problem we had 10%, right? Here it is 20%. So that value gives me here it is 300. I'm sorry students, I wrote as percentage, it is 300. Okay. Then next, when I want to write the for the second year, so I have to retain this 300 as such. Then next step what I will do, I have to write the 20% of this 300. So 20% of this 300, which results in 60. So you understood what I'm writing over here, which is 20% of 300, which results in 60. Then next I will write it for the third year. So I will retain this 300 as such. I have to retain this 60 as such. Then next what you have to do, you have to write the 20% of the 300. I'll write the 60. Then here you have to write the 20% of 60, which is nothing but the 12. So this step what we are writing here, 20% of the 60 we are finding out. Then what we will do, we have to add all the values. When you add all the values here, to make it very easy, I'm going to separate it like this. So first I'm going to separate it in terms of the rectangle. When I separated all these values, when I'm adding in the rectangle, which gives me here it is 900. Then I'm going to place the other values in the form of the triangle format. Then I'm going to add all these values, which resulting in me here it is 192. So total results in 1092. As you know already here, this the rectangle value that indicates only the simple interest. 900 indicates only the simple interest. The compound interest, which indicates the total value, which is 1092. And the triangle value alone, that indicates the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest, difference between them. So that indicates only 192. It's very simple to understand. In this problem are three types. Whenever you have some competitive examination, try to follow this method. You will be able to choose your option very easily. Rather than that, using the long formulas and solving, it takes a lot of time. So keep practicing. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye students. Take care.